Hey y'all, it's Joe. Welcome back to Anomalous Coffee Machine. Today we're covering Cup of Aesthetic. Here we go. Looks interesting. So perfect it hurts. Sweet and bitter like solid beauty laced with poison melting through my veins. Everything feels too sharp, too vivid, like I'm dissolving into the perfection I can never reach. The edges are blurring, and I can't tell if I'm fading or if I've become something worth looking at. Oh no! I screwed up my spreadsheet. That's good. Ooh, that is not pretty. Okay, so this is called Isla Zombie. Okay. Okay, Brainiac. No. Zomboss. Is that you? How did you become a female is my only question. Alright, y'all, that's my own play and the Cup of Aesthetic. If you enjoyed this episode, please stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye. Okay, I completely forgot to show this, but here's the animation of when she's talking. Oh. No, stop talking. Don't eat me. Do you need something? My coffee machine's over. Stop that. That's creepy. I don't like that.